Next, we're going to practice two form exercise of medical Tai Chi. First, we call fountain, also called balance your three sections of your body. So, with left weight leg stance and your feet parallel. Cross your wrist in front of your navel, and then let your hand stretch up, flow up in front of your midline up to the head, and then separate and turn outwards of your body. Try to open and extend all the joints in your body. Restart in front of your navel. Circle up your hand slowly, smoothly, with natural breathing. Try to relax as your hand down, your hand descend, and relax all the joints in your body, including your muscle, your bone, your head, your cell, every cell of your body, of your muscle. Circle. So next exercise we called washing yourself with healing energy from the nature. So this is designed to gathering the energy from the nature, the heaven, and guide the energy through your whole body. Just washing up your whole body. Invite this healing energy and not just only outside your muscle, your face, but invite this energy penetrate all the cells of your whole body. With your hand reaching up to the head, with breathing in and breathing out, just let the energy go. Let this energy go into a deeper muscle. Very slowly, smoothly, with natural, freer breathing.